Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Milko Sports Got Cute Basketball. Welcome to our first quarter between Golden Achievers and JL Mini Hoops. Jumble between King Katakutan and Yuan Mojica. Out of bounds. Save ball. No good. Nico Rosales setting the play. Naagaw ni Katakutan. Katakutan. Nakuha ulit ni Rosales. JD Balde. No good. Nakuha ni Jerome Abrigonda. Fires on 3. No good. Nakuha ni Mase Sagil. Pass to JD Balde. Pass to Tadeo. Balik kay Balde. Pass to Katakutan sa ilalim. Easy 2 points yan para kay Katakutan. Rosales. Setting the play. Rosales. Pass to na-rebound ni Tadeo. Pass to Balde. Rosales. Nagbababa ng bola. Rosales. Nagmamadali. Crossover. Rosales. Out of bounds. Golden Achiever Basketball. Tadeo. Nagbababa ng bola. Tadeo. Pass to Sagil. Balik kay Balde. 3 points yan para kay Tadeo. Foul on. Foul on NJ Lalicon. First throw for Yuan Mojica. No good. Second throw for Yuan Mojica. No good again. Balde. Hinaharas. Balde pass to Sagil. Dire-diretso. No good. Nakuha ulit ni Sagil. At may mandatory substitution. (14 seconds shot clock). Tadeo inbounding the ball. Pass to Sagil. Pass to Balde. Balde. Pull up. No good. Nakuha ni Rosales. Rosales. Setting the play. Rosales. Pass to Munoz. Nakuha ni Katakutan. Pass to Balde. Balde. Dire-diretso. Pass to Tadeo. For 3. Yes, sir! 3 points yan para kay Tadeo. Rosales. Ball possession for JL Minhook. 17 seconds to shoot. Rosales. Pass to Abregonda sa 3. At may foul. Foul on number 4. Mase Sagil. Sorry, May Sagil. Nakuha ni Sagil. Pass to Tadeo. Pass to. At may traveling violation na tinawag ang ating referee. JL Minhook's ball. Daniel Munoz inbounding the ball. Post 2. Abregonda. Abregonda. Hinaras. At foul. Foul on number 29, JD Balde. Abregonda. Inbound the ball. Pass to Rosales. Rosales setting the play. Pass to Sagil. Pass to Balde. Balde. Dire-diretso. At naagaw ni Rosales. Pass to Abregonda. Easy 2 points yan para kay Abregonda. Tadeo. Tadeo. Naagawan ni Abregonda. Pass to Rosales. Dire-diretso. Easy 2 points yan para kay Rosales. Katakutan. Block by Dire-diretso. At may foul. Napakagandang block nun. Para kay Daniel Munoz. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 56 seconds para sa ating first quarter. Official score 8-4 in favor of Golden Achievers Basketball. First throw. Basket yan para kay Daniel Munoz. Second throw. Basket again. Sagil. Pass to Barreto. At may tinawag na traveling violation. Daniel Munoz inbounding the ball. Pass to Rosales. Rosales. Crossover. Pass to Yuan Moica. Pull up at may foul. Foul on number 15, Christian Ramos. 2 free throws for Yuan Moica. First throw. No good. Second throw for Yuan Moica. No good. Rosales, pass to nakuha ni Abregonda. At may tinawag na offensive foul on number 20, Abregonda. Foul on number 31, Daniel Munoz. Sagil, full up to. Basket yan para kay Sagil. Rosales. Rosales. In and out. Na-rebound di. Andre Barreto, pass to Sagil, no good. Nakuha ni Juan Moica. At may foul. Foul on Zet Rebate. Penalty. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 28 seconds para sa ating first quarter. First throw for Juan Moica. No good. Second throw for Juan Moica. Basket. Follow on cast. Pass to Andre Barreto at may foul. Foul on Francis Hernandez. Follow on cast. Follow on cast, setting the play. Napalakas ang pasa. Rosales. Post to Abregonda, balik kay Rosales. Pass to Juan Moica sa ilalim. 2 points yan para kay Juan Moica. Follow on cast. Naagaw ni Rosales. Dire-diretso. Easy 2 points yan para kay Rosales. Lamang na po ang JL Mini Hoops. Official score 10-11 in favor of JL Mini Hoops. Back to the ball game. Barreto. Inbound the ball. Barreto. Pass to Polancas. Polancas. Traveling violation. Daniel Munoz, pass to Rosales, pass to Juan Moica, pass to Abregonda. Pinasa sa gilid. 2 points yan para kay Nico Rosal. Easy 2 points yan para dito kay Rosales. Angat na po sa 5 ang kalamangan ng JL Mini Hoops. 2 minutes exactly para sa ating first quarter. Foul on Rosales. RJ Puras setting the play. Pass to Barreto. Balik kay Puras. Back to Barreto. Pull up. No good. Nakuha ni Juan Mojica. Pass to Abregonda. Binigay kay Rosales. Rosales. Setting the play. Pass to Abregonda. Juan. Pumoste. Tumira. No good. Nakuha ulit ni Juan. Sa ilalim. No good again. Juan. 10 to shoot. Pass to Abregonda. Pull up. No good. Nakuha ni Katakutan. Naagawan ni Mojica. Pinasa. Kay number 6. 2 points yan. 1 minute exactly para sa ating first quarter. Katakutan, pass to Sagil sa gitna. No good. Nakuha ni Abregonda. Abregonda, pass to Rosales. Rosales, dire-diretso. No good. Nakuha ulit ni Rosales. Basket count for Rosales. Bonus shot for Rosales. Basket yan para dito kay Rosales. Remaining time, 35 seconds. Katakutan. Naagawan ni Abregonda. Nakuha ni Sagil. 2 points yan para dito kay Sagil. Rosales. At may foul. Foul on number 4. Mace Sagil. Penalty. Two shots for Nico Rosales. First throw basket. Second throw for Nico Rosales. Basket again. Remaining time, 20 seconds. Katakutan. Back to Puras. Pass to Barreto for 3. No good. Nakuha ulit ni Barreto. Dire-diretso. Counted. Basket count for Barreto. Bonus shot for Barreto. No good. 5 seconds. Block. That is the end of our first quarter.
Results 72-15 in favor of CL Breakers.
Official score 15-22 in favor of JL Mini Hoops. This is our second quarter. Muñoz. Pass to Abregonda. Abregonda. Pass to Nino. Alcain. Kaso napalakas ito. May Sagil. Inbound the ball. Pass to Puncas. Out of bounds. Puras. 8 to shoot. Puras. Fake. 2 points yan dito para kay Puras. Abrigado. Abregonda. Abregonda. Pass to Abregonda. Pull up. 2 points yan dito para kay Abregonda. Puras. Pass to Katakutan. Back to Puras. Pass sa kay Barreto. Nasundot. Barreto. Pass to Puras. Binalik kay Barreto. Barreto. Pass to Sagil. Pull up. No good. Nakuha ulit ni Barreto. At may foul. First throw. Basket by Barreto. Second throw for Barreto. Basket again. Muñoz, inbound the ball. Pass to Abregonda. Pass to Alcolin. Alcain. Nakuha ni Alcain. Pass to Muñoz. Pull up. Basket yan para kay Muñoz. Puras. Pass to Katakutan. Balik kay Puras. At may foul. Foul on number 72, Alcain. Puras setting the play. 15 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 29, Francis Hernandez. First throw for number 9, Jet Rebate. No good. Second throw for Rebate. No good again. Nakuha ni Kent Nabasero. Pass to Muñoz. Binalik kay Rosales. 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 Dire-diretso. At may foul. Foul on Katakutan. First throw for Rosales. Basket. Second throw for Rosales. Basket again. Official score 19-28 in favor of Golden of JL Minihoops. Rosales. Rosales. Pass to Muñoz. Muñoz. Pass to Yuan Moica sa gitna. Foul. Foul on. Katakutan. Rosales inbound the ball. Foul. Foul on. Foul on Katakutan. Shooting through 2 free throws for Munoz. First throw for Munoz.
Shooting 2 free throws, Daniel Munoz.
First throw basket for Munoz. Second throw for Munoz. Basket again. Official score 19-30 in favor of JL Mini Hoops. Puras. Pass to Balde. Out of bounds. JL Mini Hoops ball. Munoz. Pass to Rosales. Back to Munoz. Pass to Yuan. To Dwaydel. No good. Nakuha ni Balde. Balde. Dire-diretso. 2 points yan para kay Rebate. Munoz. Munoz, pass to Rosales, dire-diretso. At may foul. Foul on Puras.
Shooting 2 free throws, Nico Rosales.
First throw by Nico Rosales. Basket. Second throw for Nico Rosales. Basket again. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 13 seconds for our second quarter. Puras. Pass to Balde. Pass to Rebate. Pass to Puras. Nakuha ni Rosales. Rosales, nagmamadali. Pull up. 2 points yan para kay Rosales. Gandang galaw nun para kay Nico Rosales. Puras. Pass to Rebate. Two points yan kay Abato. Abregonda. Pass to Rosales. Rosales. Traveling violation. Puras, inbound the ball. Pass to Sagil. Balik kay Puras. Pass to Balde. 15 to shoot. Sagil. Pull up. 2 points yan para kay Sagil. Rosales setting the play. Pass to Abregonda. Balik kay Rosales. 10 to shoot. Rosales. Yuan. Sa gitna. Out of bounds. Same ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Timeout. Timeout for JL Mini. 14 to shoot. Rosales. Puras. Pass to Balde. Binigay kay Sagil. Rebate at may foul. Foul on number 17, Yuan Moica. Rebate shooting 2 free throws. First throw for Rebate. Basket yan para kay Rebate. Second throw for Rebate. No good. Na-rebound ni May Sagil. Pass to Rebate. Ligay kay Balde. Balde. Dire-diretso. No good. Nakuha ni Sagil. Pull up. No good. At may foul. Foul on Abrigonda. Penalty. First throw, no good. Second throw for Rebate. Basket. Munoz, inbound the ball. Pass to Rosales. Pass to Yuan. Sa ilalim. No good. Abrigonda. Pass to Munoz sa 3. No good. Puras. Pass to Balde. Nilali kay Puras. Pass to Sagil. Dribbling violation. Rosales setting the play. Rosales. No good. Tadeo, pass to Sagil. Tadeo, pass to Balde. For 3. 3 points yan para dito kay Balde. Official score 30 to 36. Baba sa ating mga kalamangan ng JL Minhoop. 2 minutes exactly para sa ating second quarter. Rosales, pass to Abrigonda. Pull up. 2 points yan para dito kay Abrigonda. Tadeo. Binababa ang bola. Pass to Balde. Naagawan ni Rosales. Easy 2 points yan para kay Rosales. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan ng JL Minhoop. Sagil. For 3. No good. Nakuha ni Rosales. Pass to Abrigonda. Bigay kay Munoz. Munoz, binili kay Abrigonda. 15 to shoot. Binili kay Munoz. 10 to shoot. 3 seconds violation ang tawag ng ating referee. Remaining time, 1 minute and 10 seconds para sa ating second quarter. Puras. Balde. May traveling violation na tinawag ang ating referee. Remaining time, 58 seconds. Abrigonda. Foul.
Ordered with Zealand moves down the balls. With a personal foul penalty.
Shooting 2 free throws for Francis Hernandez. First throw for Francis Hernandez. No good. Second throw for Hernandez. No good again. Nakuha ni Balde. Nagmamadali. Pass to Puras sa ilalim at may nakuwang foul. Foul on number 29, Francis Hernandez. Sport personal foul for Francis Hernandez. 2 shots for Puras. First throw basket. Second throw for RJ Puras. Basket again. Remaining time, 35 seconds para sa ating second quarter. Abrigonda, pass to Rosales. Pass to Muñoz. Sa ilalim. No good. 20 seconds remaining. Abrigonda sa 3. No good. Nakuha ni Balde. Pass to Sagil. 10 seconds remaining. Puras. Sa gitna. No good. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our first half. Official score 32-40 in favor of JL Mini Hoops. Back to the ball game. Balde, inbound the ball. Pass to Puras. Puras, pass to Sagil. Binalik kay Puras. Back to Sagil. 4-3. No good. Na-rebound ni Yuan. Pass to Abregonda. Abregonda. Pass to Rosales. Binalik kay Abregonda. 15 to shoot. Munoz. Yuan. In the middle. Traveling violation. Tinawag para kay Yuan Moika. Balde, pass to Puras. Pass to Polankas. Naagaw ni Yuan. Pass to Munoz. Binalik kay Rosales. Rosales, setting the play. Rosales. Pass to Abregonda. Sa 3. No good. Air ball. Balde. Pass to Puras. Puras. Pass to Polankas. Binalik kay Sagil. Rebate sa ilalim. No, nakuha ni Sagil. Abregonda. Abregonda. Pass to Munoz. Pass to Rosales. Dire-diretso. No good. Rebound by Rosales again. Out of bounds. Golden Achievers Academy ball. Balde, pass to Puras. Puras. Pass to Balde. Naagaw ni Yuan. Nakuha ni Sagil. Pass to Rebate. No good. Pushing foul. On number 9. 31. Balde. Abregonda. Sa 3. 3 points yan para dito kay Abregonda. Balde. Pass to Sagil. Sagil. Pass to Rebate. Binigay kay Puras sa 3. No good. Nakuha ni Abregonda. Abregonda. Pass to number 8, Rosales. Setting the play. Rosales. Pass to Abregonda. Pass to Yuan. Sa ilalim. 2 points yan para kay Yuan. Boy ka. Official score 32-45 in favor of JL Mini Hoops. Abregonda. Pass to Munoz. Pass to Rosales. No good. Nakuha ni Balde. Balde. Dire-diretso. At may foul. Foul on Munoz. Two free throws for Balde. First throw. No good. Second throw for Balde. No good again. Nakuha ni Munoz. Munoz. Pass to Rosales. Pass to Yuan. Binigay kay Munoz sa 3. No good. may foul. Pushing foul on Uno Isles. Rosales. Pass to Munoz. Wide open. 3 points yan para kay Munoz. Sorry, 2 points. Foul. Foul on Juan Boyga. 2 free throws for Sagil. First throw for Sagil. No good. Basket for Sagil. Second throw. Basket again. Munoz, pass to Rosales. Official score, 34-47 in favor of JL Mini Hoops. Abrigonda, pass to Yuan. Naagawan ni Katakutan. At may tinawag na dribbling violation. Rosales. Pass to Abrigonda. Pass to Yuan. The middle. No good. Nakuha ni Sagil. Out of bounds. Back to JL Minu. 14 to shoot. Offensive foul on Yuan Moiga. Remaining time, 5 minutes exactly. Sagil. Wide open. 2 points yan para kay Sagil. Abrigonda. Setting the play. Abrigonda. Harass by Hernandez. Backcourt violation. .14 to shoot. Nakuha ulit ni Sagil. No good. Nakuha ni Katakutan. Pass to Barreto. Pass to Sagil. Naagaw ni Munoz. Pass to Rosales. Dire-diretso. Counted. Basket count. May kasama pang foul. Bonus shot for Rosales. Bonus shot for Rosales. No good. Nakuha ni Katakutan. Pass to Hernandez. Pass to Polancas. Sagil for 3. 3 points yan dito para kay Sagil. Abrigonda pass to Munoz. Munoz. Pass to Rosales. 10 to shoot. Rosales. 2 points yan dito para kay Rosales. Polancas. Polanco. Pass to Katakutan. Sa gilid. No good. Pass to Abregonda. Abregonda. Pass to Munoz. Pull up. No good. Foul. Foul on number 11, King Katakutan. That is fourth personal foul.
Shooting 2 goes Steph Navasero.
First throw for Navasero. No good. Second throw for Navasero. No good. Nakuha ni Barreto. Pass to Polanco. Pass to Sagil. Sagil. Derecho. No good. Foul. Foul on number 29, Francis Hernandez. Two shots for rebate.
Hitting 2 goes Zach.
First throw basket. Second throw for rebate. Basket again. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 42 seconds para sa ating third quarter. Rosales. Pass to Abregonda. 15 to shoot. Munoz, pull up. No good. Nakuha ni Rosales. At may foul. Foul on number 24, CJ Santillan. Two shots for Nico Rosales. No good. Second throw for Nico Rosales. Basket. Balde, pass two. Polanco. Balde for three. No good. Abregonda. Pass to Munoz. Two points yan para dito kay Juan Moica. Polanco. Pass to Sagil. Sagil. Pass to Polanco. Pass to Balde. 10 to shoot. Sagil. 2 points yan para dito kay Sagil. Abregonda. Pass to Rosales. 15 to shoot. Abregonda. Munoz for 3. No good. Munoz again. Easy 2 points para kay Munoz. Remaining time, 1 minute exactly. Polancos. Pass to Balde. Pull up. No good. Nakuha ni Rosales. Pass to Abregonda. Abregonda. Derecho. 2 points yan para dito kay Abregonda. Polancos. Setting the play. 30 seconds remaining. Rebate sa gitna. No good. Nakuha ni Juan. Pass to Munoz. Muñoz, dire-diretso. No good, nakuha ni Rosales. 2 points yan para dito kay Rosales. 10 seconds. Five seconds. Balde. Sagil for 3. 3 points yan para dito kay Sagil. That is the end of our third quarter. Official score 46-60 in favor of JL Mini Hoops. Back to the ball game. This is our fourth and last final quarter. Rosales, pass to Abregonda. Binalik kay Rosales. Rosales, pinasa kay Pakin sa ilalim. 2 points yan para dito kay Pakin. Puras. Setting the play, pass to Balde. Balde, dire-diretso. At may foul. Foul on number 6, Pakin. Fourth personal foul. Two free throws for Balde. First shot. No good. Second throw for Balde. No good. Nakuha ni Pakin. At may foul. Foul on number 5. NJ Lalicon. Rosales. Rosales. Binababa ang bola. Pass to Muñoz. Back to Rosales. Binigay kay Abregonda. Nakuha ni Sagil. Sagil. Dire-diretso. 2 points yan dito para kay Sagil. Rosales. Pass to Yuan. Pass to Muñoz. Binalik kay Rosales. 10 to shoot. Back to Rosales. Rosales. 5 to shoot. Dribbling violation. Puras. Setting the play. Pull up 3. No good. Nakuha ni Muñoz. Pass to Rosales. Rosales. Setting the play. Pass to Muñoz. Pass to Abregonda. Binalik kay Rosales. 10 to shoot. Muñoz for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Ribate. Foul on number 20, Abregonda. Balde inbound the ball. Balde. Pass to Puras. Puras. Pass to Balde. Balde. Pass to Sagil. Binalik kay Balde for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Abregonda. Pass to Muñoz. Pass to Rosales. Setting the play. Rosales. 2-1. Sa ilalim. No good. Nakuha ni Sagil. Pass to Rosales. No good. Naagaw ulit ni Abregonda. Abregonda. Setting the play. Pull up 3. 3 points yan. Dito para kay Abregonda. Puras. Pass to Sagil. 15 to shoot. Balde. Pass to Puras. 10 to shoot. Puras for 3. 3 points yan para dito kay Puras. Rosales. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 45 seconds para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Rosales. Pass to Abregonda. Out of bounds. Timeout. For JL Mini Hoops. Official score 51-65 in favor of JL Mini Hoops. Eight to shoot. 8 seconds remaining on the shot clock. 8 to shoot. Muñoz sa ilalim. 2 points yan para kay Muñoz. Puras. Setting the play. Puras. Pass to Sagil. Sagil. Pass to Balde. Pull up. No good. Nakuha ni Puras. Pass to Sagil. 10 to shoot. Puras. Nakuha ni Balde. Inangat. No good. Nakuha ni Muñoz. Pass to Rosales. Dire-diretso. 2 points yan para dito kay Rosales. Puras. Puras, pass to Sagil. Sagil. Pass to Puras. 10 to shoot. Sagil. Pass to Lalicon. Balde. At may foul. Foul on number 6. Fakin. Shooting 2 free throws for Balde. First shot for Balde. No good. Second throw for Balde. Basket. Muñoz. Pass to Rosales. Rosales setting the play. Pass to Abregonda. Pull up 3. No good. Nakuha ni Rebate. Rebate. Nagmamadali. Rebate. Nabitawan ng bola at nakuha ni Muñoz. Muñoz. Dire-diretso. 2 points yan para dito kay Munoz. 5 minutes exactly para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Sagil for 3. No! Nakuha ni Munoz, pass to Rosales. Rosales. Pass to Munoz. Back to Rosales. Pass to Munoz. Yuan. Sa ilalim. Back to Munoz. For 3. 3 points yan para dito kay Munoz. Timeout. Timeout for Golden Achievers Academy. Official score 52-74 in favor of JL Mini Hoops. Back to the ball game. Remaining time 4 minutes and 29 seconds. Puras. Pass to Balde. Balde. Umikot. At may fouls. Counted. Paulo Navasero. Bonus shot for Balde. No good. Nakuha ulit ni Balde. No good. Nakuha ulit ni Balde. Pass to Sagil. Back to Balde. 10 to shoot. Pass to Sagil. For 3. 3 points yan para dito kay Sagil. Rosales. Pass to Yuan. Binalik kay Munoz. Back to Rosales. Rosales. Pasa dito kay Munoz. For 3. 3 points yan para dito kay Munoz. Puras. Pass to Balde. Balde. Pass to Sagil. For 3. No. Nakuha ni Barreto. Pass to Sagil. Pass to Balde. Gandang pasa no, kaso sayang. Foul number 9, Zebate. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 12 seconds para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Rosales, pass to Yuan. Nakuha ni Rebate. At may foul. Foul on number 8, Nico Rosales. Penalty. 2 shots for Rebate. First throw for Rebate. Basket. Second throw for Rebate. Basket again. Rosales. 3 minutes exactly. Abrigonda. Pass to Yuan. Binigay kay Munoz. For 3. No good. Nakuha ni Sagil. Sagil. Pass to Balde. Dire-diretso. At may foul. Foul on. Munoz. First throw for Balde. Basket. Second throw for Balde. No good. Nakuha ni jump ball. Huras. Pass to Sagil. For 3. 3 points yan para dito kay Sagil. Rosales. Rosales. Naghahanap na mapapasahan. Pass to Abrigonda. 10 to shoot. Back to Rosales. 5 to shoot. Nakawala si Rosales. Puras. Pass to Balde. 2 minutes. Rosales. Pass to Munoz. Naagaw ni Puras. Pass to Balde. Binalik kay Puras. At may foul. Foul on. Foul on Munoz. Shooting 2 free throws for Puras. First shot, no good. Second throw for Puras. Basket. Rosales. Pass to Abrigonda. Pass to Munoz. Back to Rosales. Back to Abrigonda. Steal. Steal by Sagil. Dire-diretso. No good. Foul. Foul on. Foul on number 17, Yuan Mojica. Fourth personal foul by Yuan Mojica. First throw basket by Rebate. Second throw for Rebate. No good. Nakuha ulit ni Rebate. Tumira. No good. May tinawag na jump ball. Ball possession goes to JL Mini Hoop. Remaining time, 1 minute and 10 seconds para sa atin. Fourth and final quarter. Rebate. Pass to Sagil. Dire-diretso. Easy 2 points yan para kay Sagil. Time out. For JL Mini Hoop. Official score 67-77 in favor of JL Mini Hoop. Ay. Back to the ball game. One minute exactly para sa ating fourth and final quarter. 14 to shoot. Rosales. Pass to Munoz. Back to Rosales. Back to Munoz. 5 to shoot. Rosales. Munoz for 3. No. Nakuha ni Sagil. Sagil. Pass to Puras for 3. 3 points yan para dito kay Puras. Rosales. Rosales. 30 seconds remaining. Foul. Foul on RJ Puras. Remaining time, 30 seconds. Remaining time, 30 seconds. 18 to shoot. Munoz. Pass to Rosales. May foul. Foul on number 4, Mace Sagil. Yuan. Foul on JD Balden. Remaining time, 26 seconds. Shooting 2 free throws for Yuan Moica. First throw, no good. Second throw for Yuan Moica. Basket. Time out for Golden Achievers Academy. Back to the ball game. Remaining time, 26 seconds for the fourth and final quarter. Barreto, inbound the ball. Barreto, pass to Sagil for 3. No! Nakuha ni Yuan at may foul. Foul on number 9, Rebate. Moica, first throw. No good. Second throw for Moica. No good. Nakuha ni Nabasero. 2 points yan para kay Nabasero. Timeout for Golden Achievers Academy. Back to the ball game. 18 seconds remaining para sa ating fourth quarter. Seconds remaining. Barreto inbound the ball. Barreto. Pass to Puras. Puras for 3. No. Nakuha ni Nabasero. Nabasero. Foul. Foul for RJ Puras. Penalty. Four shot for Nabasero. Basket. Second throw for Nabasero. Basket again. 10 seconds. Naagaw ni Rosales. 5 seconds remaining. Sagil. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of our fourth quarter.